Hey friends, Tux here. You know, one product what has came in handy for me a number of situations, no matter if I'm building computers or working on my car, is headlamps, okay, and neck lamps. And this is a great value pack. I wanted to show it to you. This is something I've used in the past, and I buy just to have a few of these around, honestly, because these are just so handy. There's times where you need a light, but you don't want to hold on to it, and you don't want to be like leaning up against something awkwardly. Like, you want it on your head, so the light is directed exactly where you want it to be, okay? And this is available from Amazon. This is a 2-pack wide angle lighting. So it's a headlamp and neck lamp, okay? So very cool stuff. It has super power, rechargeable lighting. It has a circulation charge, and it's LEDs for long life. This model TMG23, okay? And again, I will have a link for you right below so you can check this out. And it's something which I, again, recommend no matter if you're a hobbyist. Like, I could totally see this being perfect for not just like bike riding and things outside, but things inside. If you have like hobbies, like, you know, if you're painting Warhammer figures, or if you're like building models, or of course building computers, or working on cars inside or outside, like, it really could come in handy having that light, you know. A couple ideas for you. If you're doing cave exploration, good outside activity, you definitely want that light. You don't want no bats come up and freaking you out. Camping could be great for that. Night cycling for sure. Car repairs, that's something which I've used these before, and they come in such handy. Mountain climbing, and for fishing even. So very cool stuff. This is rechargeable via USB, so very cool stuff. And let's take a look at the side over here. Brightness, this says, is 450 lumens, which is pretty darn bright, honestly. 10 hours. And I can say for my car repair stuff, this does last a long time. This will work, and you just charge it up and you're good to go for that repair. And the great thing is this is a 2-pack. Okay, so if you do have one that does run dry, you know, after using it for a really long car charge or, you know, computer build or something, just whip out the other one. It's be charged. I always have one of the two or both of them charging. So very cool stuff. But they do last 10 hours, which is a really long time. It has floodlighting, 260 degrees, warnings. It has fall height. Okay, so 1.5 meters. So this can drop a ways and still be good. And you know what? You can use this underwater. It's waterproof for 1.5 meters. So that's the type of thing where you could actually take this underwater if you're doing like spear gun fishing, or, you know, if you're doing something scuba diving or whatever. This could be really handy for that. Underwater photography. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up and just check it out real quick for you. We'll pop open the box here. And let me pull this out. Now, the construction of these is really good, too, I will say. Now, before I go further, I should mention, not only do you get 2 headsets, but you get 2 cords. You guys know I love new devices, and I like to have new cords with them. So you get 2 USB. These are USB-C. So to get 2 USB-C cords in one box, that's pretty handy, actually. I can think of a lot of uses for an extra USB-C. So pretty cool. It's USB to USB-C. Okay, so very easy charging. And then we'll put this aside. And they come nicely wrapped and everything. And we'll go ahead and take this off. And I'm just going to undo one of these two, 'cause I'll keep it nice, but you can see right here, or well, heck, I'll do both. Nice foamy insides, like this here will help protect and keep it nice and comfortable around your head. So this you just kind of stick on your head like that, and you have the charging right up here. So this is where the USB plugs in, and with 2 cords, you can, you know, have both charging at the same time, you know, so very cool. I'm filling this during daylight hours, so I've turned off mostly LED lighting in this room, okay, but there still is a lot of ambient lighting from outside, and I do have a little light over here you can see. But get ready to be amazed, guys. I'm gonna hit power here, and this is just on actually the base charge from the factory, so I can actually unplug this here, and I would recommend putting on a full charge, but get ready here, get in your sunglasses, because this is gonna be amazing. I'm gonna hit the button here for you. Okay, you ready? Here goes. Whoa, see what I mean? 450 lumens, guys. This is bright, okay? And this is with the Sony autofocus dimming it for the camera. So if you were in this room with me, honestly, you'd be blinded. Like, this is very, very nice and bright. This is perfect for looking inside the car, you know, for building computers where it's like a dark, you know, computer box, even micro boxes where there's really cramped space, you know, and everything's just barely fitting. This is perfect for being able to see. You can see how bright that is. Very, very, very bright light. But it has a few modes. It certainly does. And that's where it comes in good for, like, for jogging or walking the dog or like bicycling, that kind of thing. Maybe scooting around the island at night. Check out, we're gonna hit this again. and it goes into a different mode. This mode here has a little red light on the back. So if you are bike riding or something, it gives you a nice, you can see the reflection on there. See how bright that is? A beautiful red light behind you to warn cars and anything around you that, hey, there's someone here in the dark, you know, so very, very cool. And of course, you still have that super bright headlamp. So very, very cool. And it does have another mode. It doesn't stop there. We're gonna hit it again and check out this one here. Is a little bit dimmer, a little dimmer for you. And I think this is a solid red light. I think the camera, the Sony autofocus, is making it look a little stroby if it is strobing here, but this is a solid red light right now and solid white light, just a little dimmer for you. And then check this out. Now here is a strobe. Check out that beautiful bright white strobe. So if you're going down the road on a scooter, on a bike or something in the dark and you don't want to be hit, you know, or maybe your car broke down and you're working on the side of the road changing a tire or something, this will definitely get you notice. This will keep you safe and secure. People are going to see that for a good long distance. Now, one other thing I do want to show you while this is still turned on is it does have a lit LED button. It lights up green, so you can kind of see what's going on there. So it's cool the power does actually light up. So I'm definitely digging that as well. And with one more click of the button, it does give you another mode where it turns off the front, but it gives you a nice white light now and back. So kind of a more calm, not so crazy bright light, but it definitely gives you a good amount of light to actually see in the dark and to be seen. If you don't want the light in front of you going, but you want the light behind you going, you can wear this around your head, okay? And then behind you, or you can wrap it around backwards if you want, very well. So very, very cool, very versatile. Now, just when you thought there wasn't any more modes, when you click this again, check it out. We have a very dim green light now. So really cool. Love the way this is multicolored, very light, very green. You see, it definitely is green there, but it's not so strobing and bright, which is nice. And then it goes back to the front mode. So very cool stuff, guys. Definitely a lot of modes for you. A lot of things to love. A lot of things to blind you with crazy bright strobe light, which I love the fact this is so crazy bright. That's just so awesome. Okay, so to recap, just beautiful, beautiful little headlights here. This is a great 2-pack of these wonderful headlamp and neck lamps, okay? With so many great modes, different ways you can change the color, change the brightness, crazy strobe action, very cool stuff. Got a backlight. You can even change it to like kind of a green color if you want. Very cool stuff, guys. And the fact you get 2 of these is a really amazing value too. And again, this could help you so much on projects. It could be great for camping, could be great for walking the dog, could be great for car repairs, could be great for building computers, like all sorts of great stuff. And the fact you get 2 of them is great. You know, so you can have one for yourself and one for a loved one, okay? Or heck, buy 2 packs. This could make a great gift for somebody too. All right, friends, the link for you is right below. Be sure and check it out. And I want to thank you for watching this video. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.